Guys, we are ready for another show and tell journal entry today. And today I brought a little tool to help us stretch out and listen to the sounds in words. But first, I want to show you what I'm going to be writing about today. Today, I'm going to be writing about this car that is a toy at my house that my nephews really like when they come over. So, really quick, I'm going to do my best to draw this car. It's going to be kind of hard because this has got a lot of details on it. Let's see. Ooh, it's got some flames, doesn't it? It's got a front wheel, and then it's got a kind of a tricky part. Ooh, with some exhaust pipes that come way out. Any of y'all really like cars? Do you know a lot about cars? I don't know a lot about cars. But I'm going to do my best to make this car. Okay, so let's see. Oh, and I'm going to put a road for him to drive on because cars don't float in the air, do they? All right, so now I am ready to put some labels on my car, and I see my car had flames. I don't know how to spell flames. Am I going to ask my mom? No. I am not going to ask my mom. I am going to stretch my words out and I'm going to listen for my sounds. So let's see. Today I brought, you might call this a slinky, but it stretches. And I'm going to stretch my words out and listen to all the sounds. So this is how I stretch my word flames. Flames. Let's do it again. Flames. If you don't have a slinky, you can do your hands like this because we're going to do this at school sometimes. Flames. Clap it back together. So let's see. What's that first sound I hear? Like fan. So let's see, I'm going to draw my arrow and I'm going to put, let's listen to what comes in after that. Full, like leaf. Flay, A. Oh, I hear that letter, A. Flame, like moon. Flames, like zebra. Flames. Did you see how you can stretch a word out? This car has tire. It has a tire. Let's stretch out tire. Tire. Let's try it again. Tire. So what was that first sound I heard? Oh, like turtle. I. Oh, he says his name. I know him. Rock. Tire. Very good. We had a tire. Or maybe you want to call it a wheel. Or maybe he had some rims. Let's look at this car. I don't know if he has very good rims. I'm not very good at that kind of stuff. But maybe I'll call it a wheel instead. Wheel. Clap it out together. Wheel. Watermelon. He says his name. Leaf. Very good. Do you see how we can stretch our sounds? Now, did you notice that Miss Craft made a mistake? I made a mistake on my journal because I forgot the very first thing. What did I forget to put? You got it. I forgot to put my date, 9-15-20. So I'm going to have to go back and put that. And I'm going to write about my car is, ooh, what color is it? I'm going to write that color word. And you know where I can find that color word if I don't know it? Let's see. Just see if you know this trick. Oh, let's see. Thought they had one that was just plain purple, but they do not. I don't see. If you can find purple, maybe you can find it. There it is right there. My color word is purple, and I can copy it right off my crayon. Purple. Good job. I could add some more writing about my car, but that's all I'm going to do for now. I want you to get busy stretching your words and listening to those sounds. Do your best and have fun.